Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.